Want the best Hostinger discount in 2025? I'll show you how to unlock a hidden coupon code and save up to 75% on hosting in less than 3 minutes. Step 1. Click the link in the top of description or pinned comment. Step 2. Choose your hosting plan, shared, cloud, or WordPress. Step 3. At checkout, the coupon code applies automatically, so you'll see the price drop instantly. No hunting for random codes. This is the official working deal. Why Hostinger? Fast page loads powered by LiteSpeed servers. AI website builder with drag and drop design and smart templates. AI content and logo generator to kickstart your brand. One-click WordPress setup with automatic updates and staging, plus a simple control panel that even beginners find easy. So whether you're starting your first site or migrating an old one, Hostinger makes it quick and smooth. Most hosting providers charge extra for tools, but Hostinger includes a free SSL, free email, and security features built in. You're not just saving money up front, you're saving every month. This deal changes often, so if you see the big discount today, grab it before it disappears. Click the link in top of description, apply the coupon automatically, and start your website with Hostinger today. And if you want more hidden coupons like this, hit subscribe so you never miss a deal.